parking lot. Park. Holy crap!
Bro, when I left earlier, the water hadn't hit that yet.
Oh, so it's like raising quickly. I don't even think. Yeah, it wasn't that bad this morning. Yeah. All right. Well. That's what it looks like leaving our shop right now, or our temporary location. We're on the way to pick up a car.
Yep. Gonna go get a 2002 Pontiac Sunfire 2.2 Ecotec automatic transmission.
Yes. We did technically already get a car, but it had some issues, and Caleb went to the race this weekend, and we're super excited, and we got Daytona, super excited. He wants to build a car, and we were thinking, if we're gonna have three cars,
we should all be the same.
We should all have the same, like, exact car, at least
motor,
the same
bolt pattern. I mean,
yeah, so we could share wheels, and we get really good at, you know, pulling the car apart. So the Fords we got, I mean, the video's done. We might as well upload it.
Yeah, we'll upload it.
But we're not gonna. We'll probably flip both of them.
No, maybe
hey, you want to focus?
Maybe we'll turn it into a fourth one eventually.
Yeah, spare car. Or we learn mistakes of building these cars and make it better.
On that.
Yeah.
That one has a bad transmission leak.
It has a bad transmission leak. I need to get an intake for it because it's just open on the throttle body, and it's a MAF car, so obviously that doesn't work very well. And it still needs a full cage and all of the safety stuff. So this one runs and drives. It needs an alternator, which it's a Cavalier. It can't be that expensive. And it already runs and drives. So then you just throw a cage in it. And there's so many Cavaliers in this class that people just make cages that bolt, or not bolt right in, but go right in.
They're pre-bent.
They're pre-bent, everything designed to fit the Cavalier and Sunfire. So it'll just be way easier, and I'll be on the track faster. So that's the plan.
That's the plan.
That is the plan. And
hopefully we can find another one for Daytona.
Yeah.
Or buy one that's already done. So we're looking for one for that too. So.
The problem is this class isn't as big here yet.
No.
It's still growing here, so everybody who has a car is running their car. There's no people getting out of the class yet because it's like the second year.
There's several guys that have a couple cars.
Yeah.
That they just aren't all ready, or a lot of them have like spare cars.
Yeah. So perks of being in a Raptor, I guess. We're in stop-go traffic. Doesn't have to touch it, and it stops. Yeah. Branches in the water.
Those aren't branches, dude. Those are like
probably trees.
Those are 40-foot trees. That was a boat ramp. Not part of the river.
Alright guys, we're almost there. We are in the middle of nowhere after 2 hours of driving.
2 hours. Hour 45.
traffic was crazy because of the flooding that we showed you guys.
About to pull up to this farm and buy a Pontiac.
Yeah. There we go. Just like mine, these new motor mounts. Huh? Yeah. See that it rev it again? Got a little tick to it.
Yeah.
Might be out of time.
A car like this though, that could be no work.
Yeah, not bad. Alright, Cody's gonna go make sure that all the gears work. We don't want another one with transmission issues. It drives into a ditch. The things we do sometimes, I swear.
Alright, so I got her in first. Click her in a second. Woo! And she stays in second, she doesn't shift. Sweet. All right. Can't see anything out of this. I need to get back. Took it out to the dirt or the pavement. All right.
Alrighty. Straight. This way. There you go. You're good. Come up. Turn that way. There you go. Go back. You got to get a little bit of a run at it. Just back up a foot. Keep going. Oh, you hit the exhaust. Okay, hang on. There we go. She's on. Thank you much. We'll strap her down and get out of here.
All right.
So first thoughts, Cody. What's your first thoughts?
It has some torque on the low end.
Yeah.
Did a full rip through second on the road here.
Yeah.
And it took a little while, but it tops out at 70, which I think is perfect for the track. In second.
Perfect.
So I think that's like right on the money where
Honestly,
it needs to be.
slap a cage in the thing, change the oil, maybe some new spark plugs, and send it.
Send it. I'm down. Let's do it.
Do it. Time for a 2-hour drive home, guys. There we go. So we'll drive home, maybe a little footage as the sun goes down. Hopefully none of the roads have flooded out, and we'll be good to go. So.
Also, guys, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. I know they don't get a lot of views as compared to our Mustang stuff, but if you've gotten this far, please consider liking and subscribing so we can grow with doing the stuff that we like dirt track racing and things like that. We're going to do more of this in the meantime.
Because a million dyno videos are really boring to make.
Yeah. Instead of, hopping on it. It's great. It's good for, knowledge of different platforms and stuff, but...
And we're still going to do that, don't worry.
Yeah.
We'll still
a little bit of extra stuff is fun.
We're going to keep doing more of this vlog style, adventure style, where we do a lot of racing, a lot of dirt track. I think we're going to do a lot of this dirt track. It's a blast. But then going and getting random cars and flipping cars and doing more drag racing and all of our crazy builds and probably some off-road stuff as well. So hopefully you guys enjoy this type of content because it's way more fun for us to make. So that's what we're going to make. Either way.
Yep. So you better enjoy it.